another lightning? Where's another lightning?
Watch for them to blink and then catch them.
I saw some blinks over here. Look close to the ground.
Hey! I catched one, but flew away.
Yeah, one's a naughty bug. Did you catch him?
Huh?
You're gonna have a
bug in here, Mom.
you're gonna have a jar full of them. Mama helped you so they don't escape on you.
Mom, catch my lightning bug.
Let's catch one. We'll wait for one to blink and then we'll catch it. I bet you we can find some off your brother with it. There he is.
I'm going to try to. Thank you.
There you go.
Mom, there's a lightning bug in this room. Down.
With a stick? You got him. Oh, there he goes. I caught him. Let's put him in your jar.
My jar.
Okay. Here he comes for your jar.
Down.
There you go. These bugs are so crazy blinking at us. You want to catch another one? Okay.
This one right here. You see it?
Mom will get him.
Don't catch it with the stick.
There he goes. Maybe catch a lower one instead. Did you catch it?
When you see a lightning bug, put your hand where so it flies into your hand. You just pick it off.
Come over here. There are lots to be found. I found one. You are a good... Don't scare him. He's right here. Where did he go? There it is. There it is. I got him.
Put him in my jar.
Okay.
Isaac's got one too, so I'm going to help Isaac first.
Okay. Uh-oh, don't let him out. They're sneaky little bugs. Uh-oh.
He's right here.
Charlotte, your shirt is crazy.
Did you get another one, Isaac?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look, there's one right behind me.
Catch him. Let's go like this.
Catch him.
Oh, I missed him. I got him now, though.
I cannot.
Hello. Hey.
There's like 4 of them on the lid.
I lost him. Did you catch him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo. I caught him.
Okay.
I saw one blink on my jaw.
Yeah? How nice. Uh-oh, you just... Alright, here's one for Charlotte.
I see
There's
some
one right here.
lightning bugs. Look. Isaac saw.
Ah, I think one dropped out.
There he is.
I think the leaves were a bad idea. At least at
Yeah.
this point. Because
I saw
they
an
like
ant.
to climb up.
Yeah, we have lots of black ants, huh?
Look.
That's
Can
so
you catch
high.
one for me?
Yes. I got him.
Give him.
So give him to Mom.
Him in my jar.
Okay.
That's for me, Dad.
He's a busy flyer, huh?
This is the Isaac jar.
Oh, it's a busy jar with lots of lightning bugs in it.
I'm going to take some of these things out so we
Lightning
Here.
can keep better track.
Can you go up?
He's on the lid.
Okay.
No. What's... Look for...
Don't go the road, Isaac. There's lots over here, too. See how many? There's lots in here. Watch and they will blink. There he is. Nope, find another one. So many bugs.
What if we could sift through the different bug that we could put in our jars?
I think an owl just flew by. What kind of bug would you like in your jar?
Whoa! Maybe an ant.
Okay, you can catch an ant and put it in your jar if you want.
Woo! Right over here. Right over here, there's tons blinking right now.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Can you catch him?
I think I walked over here.
Oh, it's that one. There's one right here.
I am the worst video taker ever. Did you catch it? Is he too high? I'm gonna catch my wife tromping through the bushes.
I sound like me, bug. Why don't we here?
Charlotte, you're not bright enough for the camera to focus right.
Here's one. Right by the jars.
Did you catch one?
I saw one right next to you.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
What a sneaky bug.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at me out of control.
Yeah. Crazy lightning bugs. Maybe I will switch it over to night mode. Stay away from the road. There are lots over here too. That's good.
He's on the door. Want to catch him? Ready?
It's fun and
Go, Isaac.
light it up. I'm out to see for a blink. Whoa! Whoa!
There's one. I saw one right next to you.
Where is it?
You'll have to wait and see if it will blink.
I feel like me.
Here's one. Oh, I lost it.
Whoa. Ah, not main bug.
Where? In your nose?
No.
No.
Oh, you see this ball? Whoa! Lightning bug.
There's one right here by this bush.
As long as I chase him as down as he goes.
There's one sitting on this bush. I just saw him light up.
Mine is going toward the
I found
wall.
one. And I'm going to put this one in your jar.
Well, do we have enough for night lights?
No?
We need more?
I will try to touch it.
Okay.
I'm going to walk south for a blink.
Okay.
There's
I love